The definition of segmentation is that it is a term that refers to aggregating prospective buyers into groups or segments with common needs, and those who respond similarly to a marketing action. Segmentation also enables companies to target different categories of consumers who perceive the full value of certain products and services differently from one another. So there are a couple different ways you can segment. One of the ways is geographically. There's also demographically, behaviorally, psychographic, or product usage. Demographically includes gender, age, race, occupation, and where you live, etc. Psychographics include activities and interests, and product usage depends on how the people react to a brand. So if they're brand switchers, heavy users, non-users, or they're brand loyal. Segmentation also helps companies minimize risk by figuring out which products are most likely to earn a share of a target market and the best ways to deliver those products to the market. There are also 7 steps to segmentation. Step 1 is to define your market. This means collecting information about your consumer base through research. Step 2 is to analyze existing customers. This is a structured audience analysis. Step 3 is to compare or create buyer persona. Step 4 is to compare and identify gaps, groups, and opportunities, which just means comparing the first 3 steps and defining an audience. Step 5 is to define and name the segments. This is based on what the groups have in common. Step 6 is to research segments separately. And lastly, step 7 is to test and optimize, monitor the results, and test the different approaches. Lastly, there are some pros and cons to segmentation. Some pros include to better understand a target market and identify opportunities. Second is to improve customer experience by delivering tailored offers. And lastly, to better assess the competitive environment. Some cons to segmentation are it can be costly and time-consuming, and it can be difficult to accurately predict market trends and changes. That was my presentation over segmentation.